In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can search for text, number, or any characters in a cell of a dataset like this. This can be useful in a scenario where you want to perform a blanket search in every field of your dataset looking for its occurrence. So let's go. So first thing you're going to have to do is to drop a text box. So go to Developer tab. If your Developer tab is not here, right click anywhere on your ribbon here, customize the ribbon here, and in here, make sure you're selected as Customize Ribbon and make sure that the developer is checked on. Once that's done, this developer tab will be available for you. Next, you're going to click on Insert, go to ActiveX Control. You're going to select this text box here and drop it anywhere on the top or anywhere on your spreadsheet. Once that's done, right click anywhere on your text box like this and then click on Properties. And in here, LinkedCell, let's link it as E1, which is this cell over here, and hit Enter. Once that's done, close that pop-up window and then disable design mode. So every time you enter anything like that, you can see E1 is being populated. I mean, if you like, what you can do is go to design mode, drag this above E1 so that it's covered like that, so that you don't see it. There's no distraction or anything like that. So I'm going to leave it here for now, I guess. Once that's done, let's do the highlighting portion of it. You select your dataset table like this, excluding the header all the way down to the very last row. Go to Home and under Style, Conditional Formatting, and you click on New Rules. In this New Rules, use Formula and use this formula. Once that's done, click on Format, and in here, make sure you select the Fill tab and select any color that you want. Let's say I'm going to select a red color here. Click OK and OK. Now, if you enter any text in this text box here, but before you do that, if this comes up and you're unable to enter this, go to Developer and disable design mode. That's what I forgot to do. So over here, click on this, and as you type the word fresh, every occurrence of F on your dataset table is being highlighted. And as you type more character, it starts to converge and FRE, and it highlights the cell that has those texts. You can also detect numbers like 8. You can see every occurrence of 8, and as you start to put more numbers in it, you can see 8, 2, and maybe 0. You can see it goes exactly to that number, and also detects things like exclamation mark or punctuation like this, or this one here. You can see every occurrence of N, and it also does the @ symbol as well.